Hey, what's up, Rick? This is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. I'm just making this. Thank you for watching this video. I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways to beat your competition. I know you're asking why I'm making these videos, and there's just a lot of business owners out there they don't have time to learn how to make the internet work for them because they're running the business, and the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I just found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do all this for me. So if you want me to help you with this at the end of this, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do it yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today, Rick, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content's everything on the front page of your website that Google crawls through just to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. That's like, cleaning services, Fort Worth, stuff like that. Now, if you look at your website, or Google wants you to have 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your front page, and that includes all the text on your front page, or that includes all the text that you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever images are saved as. It looks like you don't have a website unless Pro Cleaning Solutions is yours. But I know your name is All Pro Cleaning. I don't know if this is what you guys have, but either way, you want to make sure it's a little easier to find. I typed in All Pro Cleaning Solutions, and then you're gonna want to have those 1,500 words on your front page. I'm gonna show you your main competitor, Two Maids Fort Worth. These guys have about 500 words on their front page. 1,500 words are gonna blow them out of the water. After you get your content up, you're gonna want to beat their backlinks. Backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And you get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. You're not a pizza company, and Google knows this. Again, you don't have a website up, but Two Maids Fort Worth only has 36 websites linking to them. You could beat this in a couple days. You can safely add about 10 websites a day linking to you without Google having a problem with it. And the best way to do it is to figure out what links your competitors have. Go get those same links and add them to your own website. Like house cleaning, maid service, carpet cleaning. Just go to those websites and go try to get a link from them. Okay. Last thing I'm going to talk to you about is citations. When someone types in cleaning services Fort Worth and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first contract or the cleaning service that shows up that seems trustworthy. You want to be that cleaning service because these are the easiest customers to close. And you can actually fix this before you get your website up. You want to rank yourself in the Google My Business section. And to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. Best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a space cushion, so once you take this #1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, and you only have to do maybe an hour or two of work every month to hold that #1 spot and keep it taking all these close customers. That's all I've got for you, Rick. My recommendations were to get yourself a website up with about 1,500, 2,000 words. Go take the backlinks from your competitors, add a bunch more on top, and you can do this without a website. Figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. Rick, if you want to do this yourself, again, this is free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. All I ask, give me a couple words of feedback, responses, email to help me make these videos better in the future. Even one sentence is super helpful. If you want me to help you, just give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for watching this, Rick. Have a great day.